I've had a few things coming my way, but out of three shipments, I only had one tracking number with me, and that was with the little dot earphones. Now, I from the size of it, I assume this is Dunu, but I cannot be sure. Let's see. This is a mystery box. Yeah, this is Dunu. Thankfully, I don't know why, but they were unable to share tracking details. It was really tough, to be precise, when you are expecting something but you do not have the tracking number with you. This is kind of frustrating. I'll have to say this is fairly frustrating. You are expecting something, you don't know where it is, what's happening to it, and that at times is uncomfortable. If not anything else, it's fairly uncomfortable. I'm expecting two earphones in here, Dunu SA6 and the SA3. I was expecting three earphones last time, but I received four. But I'm not expecting any surprises here because Dunu had not launched any newer earphones. Oh, come on. Well, nicely packed nevertheless. There isn't any complaints about the packing. This is the SA3, I believe. Not in its retail package. I do not mind. Come on. Nice leather. Is it? Do you think this is a bit worn out? I don't know. I haven't seen the retail package till date, but this is the SA3. Wow, look at this cable. Oh, looks gorgeous. Oh, wow, fantastic. This cable looks excellent. Beautiful looking cables. Beautiful looking cables. And the earphones are beautiful too. You guys can see the earphones are slightly on the bigger side, but these look fantastic too. Blue color is very good, looks nice. You guys can see the nozzles. This has the three BA drivers, the bigger one for bass, and there are two other. This one is supposed to be a bit more mid-centric, but let's see how this compares with other earphones in its price range. Let's see what are the other accessories in the box. Let me put this aside. Setup accessories, some single flange tips, some more, and some more single flange tips. All are single flange tips, nothing fancy here, nothing at all. And the cable is not the modular type. This is the general type 2-pin cable. This is very good cable nevertheless. Light in weight and should be of excellent quality. I'm not expecting it to be of the inferior quality at all. So that's that. This is the showstopper here. One of the most expensive earphone in my inventory as of now. I have not been working on anything very expensive for a while. This is priced at $549, but there will be a sale very soon with lower prices. Very soon. Dunu is having a Black Friday sale from 11th, I believe. If I'm not wrong, from 11th. This is supposed to be the flagship BA driver, all BA driver earphone as of now. I cannot confirm that this is it because they might release a 9BA driver earphone very soon. but as of now, for this time being, this is their flagship. 6 BA drivers, 2 for bass, 2 for mid, 2 for highs. Very simple deduction there, nothing fancy. 2 for bass, 2 for mids, 2 for highs. Okay, small box for a fairly expensive. There are some accessories inside it. Let me take it out. Let's have a look at the set of accessories. Wow, nice. Single flange tapes, few more single flange tapes, and a 6.5 mm adapter. This is the patented switch pins. Excellent. This is very good. One do not need to buy this separately, and that is a welcome addition to the package. Wow. Wow. Stabilized dude. Excellent. Excellent looking cables and earphones. Wow. Fantastic. Oh, gorgeous earphones. Outstanding. SA6. Even from this angle it looks like a 9, but it's a 6. Wow, beautiful looking earphones and cables. Duno is really serious about their cables. Excellent looking cables. This might be retailing for 150 without much problem. I do not think these are cheaper ones at all. This can retail for a bit more. Slightly on the tougher side this time around. It was much easier with the DK2001. Have I crossed? No. This is at 7 minutes. So this is okay-ish, not bad. To put it back, one has to align these two things. There's a notch in here, and in this groove one has to align this two and push, and that's it. Looks good. Gray color. Chrome. These are not gold plated but chrome. That's perfectly fine, nothing wrong in there. Very good looking earphones. I'll be comparing this with the recently unboxed CU Kiss, CU Sen, and a few other earphones that I have from the past. The beautiful looking. Just look at this. Excellent looking faceplates. The stabilized dude is mind blowing. Simple and mind blowing. Looks very simple and mind blowing at the same time. Excellent. So that's it. That's for you. This is enough for your eyes as of now. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Enjoy. If you haven't subscribed, it will be really nice if you guys can subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Enjoy.